Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Brittany for those of you who are new. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look on my friend. She's actually on her way right now, so we're going to be doing a more colorful kind of makeup look, maybe a tutorial, of course some graphic liner. I know that's what we're kind of going for, so I wanted to give you all a little bit of inspo if you're going to EDC or something like that, or just like a music festival, or just having a fun kind of just colorful makeup looks. If you'd like to see how I do Melanie's makeup look, then go ahead and please keep on watching. All right, we're switching back to a voiceover. I am going to apologize right now because I, for the life of me, cannot find my SD cards on the footage of what I used on Melanie, and I am so sorry, but I will write down what I think I remember because this video actually was recorded a little bit of a while ago. I am barely catching up on things. So another apologies, but I always prime the lids. I did her makeup prep before this, of course, as usual, but I like to prime the eyelids with some concealer. It just kind of helps with evening out the skin tone if there's hyperpigmentation or just a little bit of darkness or discoloration. So that's what I did there, and then we moved on to some eyeshadow, which I remember we did use the Morphe palette, and we're doing some water activated eyeliners. This is from the brand by Mellow Lopes on Instagram and TikTok, I believe. I've bought in. This is her radio stack of water activated eyeliners, and I'm first winging out the orange eyeliner, and then I moved on to kind of like basically doing more layers of it. However, I realized the more layers, the more cracky it looked. It doesn't look like that this far away from the camera, but when you look up close on her eyes, you can see it kind of like a crack. Then I used the yellow eyeshadow to kind of blend out the brown tone that I used on the crease area, and then we moved on to a little bit of a yellow green neon in the inner corner. I got this inspo from this makeup artist that I follow on Instagram. I followed her since I took the makeup course of Priscilla Ono. That's where I met her, but she is super talented. I'm always in awe of all her makeup looks on TikTok. She's like gotten so much bigger, but this is what we're kind of doing. I'll insert a picture here so you can see the look that I was recreating. This was the inspiration that drew this makeup look on Melanie that I really wanted to create, and everything else I will definitely put down in the description box. I did have a TikTok video of the products that I had. It was kind of like a showing what I used basically, but I'll go ahead and just insert some music and have a little montage moment. So if you have any questions or anything, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. As always, you know my Instagram DMs are always open. Thank you again for watching and being here, and I appreciate your patience. I will see you all in the next video. Toodles! You know, when you look down.
But you can't even tell because my eyes are gonna be open. Oh my god, it looks so good. You fucking killed it. Dude, you always kill it.
What do you think about the lip? Is it too light or is it too dark? What do you think? Would you change it? Do you want something darker? Talk to me.
I feel like maybe like something brighter.
Oh, brighter?
Mm-hmm.
Like pink, brown.
Like maybe like, yeah, something pink just to match with the like neonness.